Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat trunk with a dead battery. First, if your remote key isn't working, use the physical key blade hidden within your fob to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the lower left side of the dashboard, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly to pop open the hood of your vehicle. This initial step grants you access to the engine bay. With the hood open, you'll need to locate the designated jump start terminals. These are usually clearly marked with a red cover for the positive terminal and a metal post for the negative ground. Connect your portable jump starter or jumper cables from another vehicle to these terminals. Always ensure you connect the positive cable first, then the negative, maintaining correct polarity to safely provide temporary power to your Passat's electrical system. Now that temporary power is flowing to your Passat, the vehicle's electrical system should be sufficiently energized. You can now attempt to open the trunk using your remote key fob. Simply press and hold the trunk release button on the fob for a few seconds. If that doesn't work, or if you prefer, you can also use the interior trunk release button, usually located on the driver's door panel or dashboard. After successfully opening your trunk, carefully disconnect the jump starter or jumper cables, removing the negative cable first. It's crucial to address the underlying issue of the dead battery. Consider fully charging your battery with a trickle charger or, if it's old, replacing it entirely. Regular maintenance and checking your battery's health can prevent future inconveniences and ensure reliable access to all parts of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.